Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about LightBurn Pro, one of the best software for laser machines. With this program, you can engrave and cut materials like acrylic, leather, MDF, fabric, rubber, paper, and more. And with each of these materials, you can create amazing products to start or grow your business. For example, with acrylic, you can make custom signs and LED lamps. With leather, you can create engraved keychains and bracelets. MDF is perfect for cutting decorative frames and gift boxes. With fabric, you can make patches or clean textile cuts for crafts. Rubber is great for making custom stamps, and with paper, you can design elegant invitations. If you're using the trial version or if it already expired, I have a solution for you. I offer an exclusive license, fully activated, no subscription, for a very affordable price. Just message me on WhatsApp, the number is in the description. Thank you so much. Big hug, and see you in the next video.